In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Binance. If you're using the Binance website on a computer or laptop, logging out takes just a few seconds, and it's an important habit to keep your account secure. Start by opening the official Binance website in your browser. Make sure you're on the legitimate site and that you're already signed in. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your settings, this may look like a small avatar, your initial, or a profile silhouette. Click that icon to open the account menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, find the Log Out option and click it. Binance may prompt you to confirm that you want to sign out. This confirmation helps prevent accidental clicks from immediately logging you out, which is especially helpful if you're in the middle of something. Go ahead and confirm. After that, the site will sign you out and take you back to the main login screen. Seeing the login page is your clear signal that you're fully logged out. If the layout on your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Websites sometimes update their design. The key is to look for your profile icon at the top right, open that menu, and choose Log Out. If you don't see the menu right away, try expanding the window or zooming out slightly so the top bar is fully visible. A quick word on security, because it really matters here. Always log out if you're on a public computer, like at a library or an internet cafe, and anytime you're using a shared device at work or at home. Even if your session times out eventually, manually logging out ensures that no one who uses the device after you can access your account. For extra peace of mind, you can also review and remove devices that have access to your account. In your account security settings, look for Device Management. There, you can see a list of devices that have recently signed in and remove any you don't recognize or no longer use. This is a great way to keep your account clean, especially if you've signed in from multiple locations over time. That's all you need to log out of Binance on the website. Keep these steps in mind, make a habit of signing out when you're done, and you'll add a strong layer of protection to your account. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.